Accidents happen. Here are the don'ts and do's. First, check yourself and all others for injuries. If anyone's hurt, call 911 immediately and render first aid if necessary. Whenever possible, move the vehicle to a safer location after taking photos of the accident scene. Don't leave the scene of your accident without first obtaining the proper information from all parties. And don't ever comment on your physical condition or frame of mind at the accident scene. Do use your smartphone to take photos of the other party's driver's license, registration, and insurance card. This will give you their name, address, license plate number, and insurance information. Also ask for their cell phone and home phone numbers. Then use your smartphone to photograph the accident scene and the damage to all the vehicles and property involved. Make a brief written record of the accident, the road conditions, the traffic conditions, the weather, time, and location to share with the proper authorities. While you're at the accident scene, call your insurance company to find out if they need any additional information from you or if they have any special information to give you. Then contact Orlando Auto Body to get your vehicle restored to pre-accident condition. For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.